How to remove account restriction on Facebook. So first, open up your Facebook app and then just tap on your name here at the top right. Now scroll down, look for help and support, tap on this one, and then tap on report a problem. Now here, scroll down again, continue, tap on continue to report a problem. Now Facebook will create a report. You just need to wait for this to finish. Now once you're here, you just need to scroll down again and tap on include. Now scroll down again and then look for settings, this one, tap on that. And then you just need to describe your issue here, which is about your account restriction. Just tell them that you need help with it. And then here, just tap on record screen if you want to record the your account being restricted. And then if you already have a recording of your account being restricted, you just need to upload from phone, and you just need to upload that recording from your phone. All right. Now, after all of that, you just need to tap on send here and wait for Facebook to get back to you. All right. So that's it. If you found this to be useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.